Hello, today I'm going to explain how to test your API using Swagger documentation. To this end, I created this small project that stores small businesses, and I call the project Count Tech. As you can see, my source code is right here. I've added validation to check the validity of the data that goes into the database. And I've also added error handler. And you can find my full project on GitHub. Right here, Tech API. The API is published on Render. And the live site is Tech API on render.com. So here it is. And to follow the links to get to the JSON data, just click on here, Explore API, and the documentation is available right here. Taking a while. So this landing page helps us know how many startups are recorded in our API. Okay, it looks like it's up and running. So let's get all startups. Try out, execute. There we go. Yeah, all my startups recorded. Okay, so let's move on to the next endpoint. Create. I'll just use this sample data. MongoDB created in 2022. I'll execute. You can see this new startup was created without all the fields. So it only took the required fields because some data are missing. So let's check if it's worked in MongoDB. So we got MongoDB here, but the products are missing, and the turnover is missing as well. So let's go back here, search again, execute, down our MongoDB startup, but without products on turnover. And I will now search it by ID. Let's go get single startup. Let's paste the ID here. There we go. Control our single MongoDB startup. Now I want to update this startup and add the products. I'll use the put endpoint. Let me select all this, delete. So let's execute. Parameter strength value must be well chosen for ID required fields is not provided. So this means our error handler is working. I'll remove this one, and I just need to paste the ID and its field. Now I want to change the name of the founder to Mobby instead of Mobs. And I'll add a product, one or two products, and say, system installation and equipment provider. Let's spend equipment. IT equipment. So we just added two products. There we go. It's working. Changed my founder to Baron Lobby. And again, my two products right here. Let's go ahead and check in MongoDB. Hey, looks like it's working. Products. I got system installation, IT improvements. So now we're going to delete. I don't need this anymore. I want to delete this startup. I'll use the startup, the delete startup endpoint. Paste the ID and execute. Startup deleted successfully. Let's go back to MongoDB. Well, Convo tag is gone. So it looks like my API is working. And this will conclude our tutorial.